Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay. Today what I'm going to cook for you is some steamed fish with some mixed veg stuffed inside it. Gonna wrap it up in foil, put it in the oven. I'm gonna do some hard food with it and all whatnot. Problem is, went shopping, went to get all-purpose seasoning. Come home and I was like, what's going on? Adobo seasoning. We could use it. To be honest, it's what you lot fancy, but traditionally I want some all-purpose in here, so as usual we're just gonna have to make one, or make some. Obviously using ground coriander, but because I'm gonna want it more flavorful as well, what I'm gonna do, I don't know if you lot can see, got some fresh coriander there, so I'm gonna chop some of that in, put it in as well, with some nice taste, using a bit of chili powder, only a tiny bit, because I'm not using this chili powder for like the kick. I'm using it for more of the flavour, because I'm going to put a little bit of Scotch bonnet in this. Some paprika. Now, if you're gonna I'm making this recipe and I'm using ground pimento, so it's obviously pimento powder. If you're gonna fry this, or you're gonna fry your fish and whatnot, use less of the ground pimento, and I just recommend put some of the whole pimento. Don't know if you can see that. Put some of that in the oil, because it's like this. Let me show you. It's like that. Put some in the oil, fry it, flavour up the oil and everything whatnot. Obviously I'm not going to do that because I'm steaming it, so I just rather have the pimento like this to go all the way through the food. That's my version of all-purpose. Everyone's taste buds different, just add it how you like it, what you're gonna do. So now that's sorted, got the veg there. What I'm putting in is onions, gonna have the garlic, the ginger, the garlic, the Scotch bonnet. I'm gonna leave that till last, so you don't want to be touching the pepper hot like that and touching your face or whatnot, you'll be getting burnt. Peppers, okra, cabbage and carrot. Then do the garlic. Love garlic, guys. Good for you, good for the body. Same as ginger. That there. Look at how pasty this is. Now, this here is gonna be what we're marinating the fish with. Yeah, you can get dry rub, but I like the fish thing. What I'm gonna do with this, Tiny bit of lemon, because it's fish. Chicken, lamb, you eat lemon. That's what's good about it. Put some lemon juice in there. Scoop this out for you to see. Now look at that. Alright. Seasoning for the fish done. The veggies done. Gonna sort out the hard food in a second, and the fish. Let's move some of these things out of the way. Okay guys, the fish I've got, you probably see let's see how good it is. Hold on, I'm not going to do it over here because I don't like having, put it this way so you can see better. I don't mind it going on there now. It's a small one. That's a bigger one. Obviously, as you can see, it's been gutted. I gave it a rinse out earlier. I just still got lemon left on it. Yep. Still got some of this lemon left on it. Okay. Okay, some of you thinking I'm looking weird or why? I don't wanna. I'm gonna stick it in the foil because I'm gonna cook it in the foil, guys. Remember, try not to rip this because you want the moisture to stay inside and the sauce for the flavouring and whatnot. But I'm gonna do this. I say 3 to 4 is okay, so it's looking like this. Yeah? When you can put the seasoning there, perfect. Okay guys, obviously gloves on, Scotch bonnet, don't want to be burning my hands out. What I'm going to do. If you're finding it hard to put it in, just hold it at an angle. You should be able to just do this. Put it in the creases easily. Should have probably had 2 gloves on for this, to be honest. My hand's still touching it. See that? Just filling all the insides of it. I don't know if you notice, with the fishes, you can cut these off. It's not a big deal preference, the fins. Some people do, some people don't. The way my mom's always cooked fish, it's not really being that big of a deal. Because we used to fry fish a lot and we used to eat the back tails at times because it used to be crispy and crunchy. So when you're massaging it, massage it this way. If you massage it this way, all of this will come up and you'll start pricking yourself here, saying, oh, I don't like working with raw fish and whatnot. So now you see that. Nice to season. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Tiny bit more. Okay, remove this here for now. Damn, I just ripped a bit of the fall. Okay, that is what I call fish number one. One of the best ways to clean this out, some of the veg, yeah? See that? Let me do this. Because I know some people will be like, oh, you could have just added some water. You're gonna get enough moisture and water from these two fishes. If you look at the size of it, you're not gonna need to do that. Especially with the cabbage, the okra. I'll show you how this veg looks in a second. When you squeeze it with its natural juice as itself, you'll see. No, look at that. Perfect. See how it's all being flavoured. Look. So now, what you do, you get the fish. Simple. Obviously it's not all gonna fit in there for two fishes, but you just gotta stuff as much in there for the time being, which will probably be like that. Force it in, pack it up. So obviously that's how it's looking. Now it looks big. Probably thinking, yeah, a lot of veg. Nah mate, that's gonna shrink and go down, especially with the okra and the cabbage and all of that. That is one thing I will tell you for 100%. That's one thing. So that's how it's gonna be. So then I'll put this in the fridge. Wash my hand first. Just let me move the light over so you lot can have a look at that, right off the bone. See that? Yeah. Don't know. Gonna